Hello, I am Dr. Usha Lenka, Professor in the Department of Management Studies, Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. My area of specialization is Human Resource Management and Organizational Behavior. I am basically working on contemporary issues of human resource management with special emphasis on managing change in organizations, developing employee talent, dissemination of tacit and explicit knowledge, developing scope for a creative and innovative workforce who can build a sustainable organization. Here I am going to offer a course on principles of management under MOOCs program of MHRD, Government of India. UG and PG students of management, engineering, basic sciences, arts and commerce can learn this subject, which will give them a first-hand information about what an organization is and how it functions, what are the challenges of contemporary organizations and strategies required to manage those challenges for a sustainable business model. Objective of this course, it provides an overview of management and its evolution. It examines functions of planning, organizing, leading and controlling and its impact on the business organization. It discusses necessary skills and functions required for efficient managers in contemporary business environment. Overall, it enables students to analyze and understand changing business environment and the role of ethics, social responsibility and environmental issues in contemporary business environment. The details of this course are, there are no prerequisites for this course. The duration of this course is of 30 hours and will be covered in 12 weeks. All graduates and postgraduate students in management, engineering, sciences, arts and commerce can study this fundamental course. Concepts are mostly used in public and private sector organizations like Infosys, Tata, Reliance, public sector companies like BHEL, SAIL, ONGC, etc. Content of the course includes Introduction to Management, Evolution of Management Thought, Introduction to Strategic Management, Introduction to Forecasting and Essential Components of Business Forecasting and various associated techniques, Decision Making, Management by Objective and Styles of Management, Organizing and Directing, Staffing and Coordination, Career Development Strategy and Stages of Career Development, Leadership Styles of Managers, Organizational Communication, Change Management, Challenges in Contemporary Business, Role of Ethics, Corporate Social Responsibility. The course assignments will be given every week for assessment of students' conceptual understanding of the subject. At the end of the course, an examination will be conducted for those who are interested to get course participation certificate. I look forward to interact with you during this course. Suggested books and reading materials: Fundamentals of Management by Pearson Education, Stephen Robbins, David DiCenzo, 2016, Essentials of Management, Harold Kunz and O'Donnell Verich, 2012, Tata McGraw-Hill Publications, Management Fundamentals, Concepts and Applications, Sage Publication, 2014, Principles of Management by Richard Daft, Cengage Learning, 2009. Thank you.